We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT Discord bot. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Discord developer portal at discord.com/developers/applications. Log in with your Discord account if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the New Application button at the top right. Give your application a name, which will be the name of your bot, and click Create. Next, on the left menu, click on Bot, and then Add Bot. Confirm by clicking Yes, do it. Now you can customize your bot. You need to copy the token by clicking Copy under the Token section. This token is important as it will allow your program to control the bot. Make sure to keep it safe. Now open a new tab and go to OpenAI's website to get access to the ChatGPT API. You will need to sign up or log in to get an API key. Once you have it, make sure to save it securely. With both tokens ready, you can start coding. Create a new folder on your computer for your bot project and open your preferred code editor. You'll need to install Node.js if you haven't yet. In your terminal, navigate to your project folder and run the command npm init-y to set up a package.json file. Then install the discord.js library by running npm install discord.js. Also, you need to install the OpenAI library by using npm install OpenAI. Now, in your code editor, create a new file named bot.js. Here, set up your bot by requiring discord.js and OpenAI at the top. Then initiate a new Discord client and OpenAI configuration. Paste your Discord token and OpenAI API key in the respective places. Set up a basic message event listener for your bot, where it listens for messages and sends a request to the ChatGPT API when it detects a message. Make sure to handle errors gracefully. Save your file and in your terminal, run nodebot.js to start your bot. You should see it come online in your Discord server. Don't forget to invite your bot to your